Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be transforming myself into Kuromi. I'm going to take you guys step by step on how I achieved today's look, the hair, the makeup, and where I got all of the accessories and everything from. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. As always, let's go ahead and start with some makeup. Look at this cute Hello Kitty makeup bag that I got from TJ Maxx. I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Putty blush just to give myself a little bit of a cream base. I am putting it around my eyes, pretty much everywhere, all over my face, like around the cheeks, nose, forehead, and chin. Then I'm going in with this banana powder that I actually really liked from TJ Maxx, also for $3.99. And I'm baking under my eyes really well, so when I do my shadow, that any fallout I could just brush away, and then mattifying my face by putting and pressing it all over. Now for the eyeliner, which is probably the hardest but best part. So I'm first doing the outline, which is a small dot on top, and I'm trying to mimic the ears. See, these are the actual ears of the costume, so I'm trying to do a diamond shape. I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in. After I started to fill it in, I decided that I wanted mine a little bit more dramatic. So I redid the diamond outline, and I just dragged it all the way down to touch my lid, then start to fill it in. Keep that dot at the corner and repeat on the other side. So you guys see here, the diamond, two corners are going to touch my lid, almost like a V, and then an upside down V that connects together, keeping that dot right there in the center corner of the eye, and just filling everything in, again, to mimic the ears that you guys see on my head. Now I'm going in with this Mean Girls palette, taking this pink shimmery shade and doing the inner corners of my eye, and then smoking it out along the bottom. Then I'm taking a mattifying pink shade and just doing the crease of my eye and then the outer wing part of my eye, and I'm blending everything out to give myself a pinky smoky eye. Blending is really important here. It gives it a cooler effect. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this white shimmery powder just to make my eyes pop even more, and then just fill in the lid space of my eye and fill in my eyebrows to make them a little bit more intense, because Kuromi's look is very intense to me. Now I'm going in with powder blush, and I'm just going to go over everywhere that I had put the blush originally. I chose to use these Shein lashes today, so I'm going to go ahead and put those on and then dust off everything from my face, like all the rest of the bake, and blend everything together. And then of course we have to do some mascara, lower and top lashes, and I did decide to tight line with gel liner, so just right on the top. I always think it looks so creepy when I look back at the videos of that, but then I'm decided to do something a little different for the lips, so I'm taking the same gel eyeliner and using it as lip liner. I'm just tracing out everything very lightly at first, and then slowly just starting to deepen. And then with a black shade from the same Mean Girls palette, I'm just deepening the corners and making it a little bit thicker but not too thick. Adding a nice peachy gloss. You can use any gloss, but I'm trying to do a pinky gloss just to make sure that the powder that I'm using right here really sticks. So I'm taking that same blingy, shimmery pink powder that I used in the inner corners and putting it right in the center just to give myself an ombre look. Set everything with some finishing spray. I love this one from Joe. And then really quick, I just wanted to show off my pajama pants because I was wearing these, and it's so on brand for this video. I love them. Hot topic, by the way, just got them. Now we're going to do the hair. I feel like to mimic the little horn diamond things that she has, I'm just going to do two small pigtails on the very top of my head. So I'm going to curl my hair as usual. You could do your hair straight, but just do two pigtails on the top and then place the headband. It's going to give yourself some volume, and it's going to make you feel like a little cooler, I think. I don't know. Then I'm going to take the black shade from the palette, and I'm going to like fill in any like scalpy areas on my scalp just to make it look more seamless and blend a lot better to a little makeup hack that I love. I wanted to share with you guys, but this is the final makeup look. I absolutely love it. Now onto accessories. So I got this whole outfit from Forever 21, the actual outfit, which is this skirt right here. So cute. It even has the Kuromi symbol on the band. I love it. This little top, which is actually really sexy. And of course the headband, as you guys saw. I did pick up these from Walmart, not knowing if I wanted to use them or not, because because I do think that she wears purple, but then I saw these at Hot Topic and I had to get them. Look at the little cat on the bottom. I also picked up these ankle Kuromi socks to put over whatever leggings I decided to use. These little mittens that actually convert from fingerless to covering your finger. Those are perfect for the snow. These cool little necklaces. All of what I just showed you was from Hot Topic. This is everything laid out and the shoes I decided to use. These are the YSL ones just to show off the socks fully. You could also use Mary Jane's. The little cats on the bottom, I had to show you guys that, but this is like the bottom, what it's giving, and it's so adorable. Again, another look at the makeup. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't know what I was going to do coming into this, but yeah, let's go ahead and do a final reveal. I'm just going to show off, I guess, at this point, the whole outfit together. So enjoy this little clip, and yeah.
This is a work of
brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.